Well, what the hell brings you back here again?
I can understand your surprise, Mrs. Wadsworth. After going behind my back and telling ridiculous lies, you were expecting someone else.
You're damn right. You're not our worker anymore.
I just wanted to face you one more time to tell you that you're sick. You're the one who needs help, not Baby.
Okay, you said it. Now get off my property.
You guys in trouble again, Mama?
You keep quiet. Now you, get away from here or I'll call the cops and have them take you away.
I'm going to fight you, Mrs. Wadsworth, with the only weapon I have, the law, for the legal custody of Baby.
Now you just go ahead and try, honey.
There's an agency that works to protect people. It's called a Public Guardian Office, and you'll be hearing from them.
They can't do anything to us.
They can investigate everything. Mrs. Wadsworth, do you think your treatment of Baby can stand up to that?
That's just so much horse shit. You want him for yourself. Well, agency or no agency, you ain't gonna get him. Because Baby belongs to us. No, to me.
He belongs to himself. He's not the subhuman thing you've made him. And once I report what I know, it's just a matter of time before Baby is taken away from all of you.
You damn bitch.
Adjacent rectangular transection to the left occipital. Some kind of backdoor brain surgery.